All right, guys, this is my review of the Asialnfo Folding Hand Saw. It's got a 9.8-inch blade, and you can use it for pruning little trees. Maybe you need it if you're camping and you need to cut for little pieces of firewood or kindling. It can be used for gardening too, like if you need to trim your bushes and stuff like that, and you need to actually kind of cut more cut through them. It's got a safety. First of all, it feels nice and sturdy. It's got a silicone grippy design, but it feels high quality and sturdy, but it does have that grip to make you feel safer when you're grabbing it. It's also got a safety on here, so I think that's super important with sharp blades like these. I'm somebody who's, I'm not a huge fan of sharp blades. So you do have to click that in order to bring it out. And then click it again to bring it out further. So there's two settings. There's two settings here. It comes out to there at first, so you've got that angled setting. And then if you want to bring it out all the way, it locks out all the way. So here's it itself. I can tell you, listen, dude, listen. That's a sharp blade. That's a sharp blade. I don't want to put a lot of pressure on it. Ultimately, that's not moving at all. The safety keeps it in place, keeps it intact. You can feel the grip. I could see this being a very useful tool. Ultimately, this is built for what it says it's built for. It's designed, it seems high quality to me without being, a very high number. I mean, when I look at the number on the product page there, to me, when I think about what this is used for, I'm getting my hands on the product. This seems like a very good value, to be honest with you. I hope I helped you make a quick, informed buying decision one way or the other. If you're looking for a handsaw, this could be the one for you.